Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will see how to define variables for number, float, character and string types in Python, and we can also see how to take inputs from the user, that is from STDN, standard input. Okay. Python follows very simple procedure to take inputs. Suppose if you want to define a variable for number, suppose number is 5, we can simply make it as a equal to 5. Now a is a variable for number. You can check it by using just, if it is working or not, by using print statement, print a. It's working. Suppose if you want to take variable for a float, you can use same variable. There is no restriction in Python like you can't use variable for assigning to another type. Same we can use it for 5.0. Now a is a variable for float type. We can check this also. See, we can use the same variable a. Here I am using same variable a for different types. So Python supports this. We can assign a to character also. Suppose if you want to define a character, you have to place it between single quotes. C is a character. You have to place in between single quotes. DA. And take this also. So it's working, it is printing character C. You can assign a for any sentence. So if you want to insert sentence, you have to place in between double quotes. Print this also. So with same variable I am using for different types. This is the major advantage in Python. Suppose in some competitive programming, see, now we will see how to take input from the user. This is how it works. Suppose if you want to take input from the user, you can ask like this. Suppose if you want to take number from user, you have to use just one function. See, input of, it is a function which takes input from the user, and I am assigning it to variable a. See, we will see this and print a. So we can see this also, how I am taking input. So input of only will take numbers from the standard input. If you give any string, it won't accept. See, it is waiting for input. If I give any number, see, it's printing, is assigning a equal to 68 and again printing a. If you want to take any string from the input, you have to use raw underscore input of method, which will take sentence or sentence from the input and any word from the input, and will print it. So we don't want to use this one. Now we have to see only about taking string from the input. So if you want to give placement, see, now he has assigned placement, it is again printing placement. Suppose in some competitive programming, let's remove all these things. Suppose in competitive programming you have to take input like this, 5 space, 10 space, 15 space, something like this, and so if you want to take input like this followed by spaces and you have to assign to some numbers, you can use this. Suppose this is A, this is B, this is C. You can take input directly like this. ABC equal to map of into comma. See, I will explain everything. See how it will work is, see, we have to split based on space. So we will insert this raw underscore input of will take string. It will take total is 5 space, 10 space, 15 as a string, and it will split it based on this string, based on this space. I am giving here space as an input. Or if you give any other parameter, suppose see, I will show that one also. Then I am making, after splitting it, I am making each and every one as an int. Finally I am mapping to A, B, C. This is how it works. See, after you can check this one also. 5 space, 10 space, 15. See, it's working. Here I am using comma, so it is printing, it is adding a space between these variables. Suppose if you want to print any new lines, you can use print A, print B, print C. Five space, 10 space, 15. See, this is how it works. Suppose if you want to split based it on some other delimiter like comma, if the input is like this 5, 10, 15, and if you want to split it based on comma, you can use this. Here instead of space you have to just insert comma, then it will split it based on comma and same will be printed. See, we can run this and see this also. I, 10, 15. See, everything is working. Python is making everything simple. So this is my second tutorial, and thanks for watching this video. In next tutorial we will see some other things like functions or list or something. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel.